Afternoon all. I've got an half a day off work today. The sun's out, so I thought I'd go out for a walk on Dartmoor National Park. And I thought I might as well bring along my tarp with me. Then I can show you a tarp setup that you can use when you're out in the middle of nowhere and you ain't got no trees and it starts to rain. You can just quickly deploy a tarp so you can quickly get out of the rain. Look at that view, look. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those clouds. That looks right there, that. We don't want to be too picky because when it rains you just want to get your tarp up nice and quick, so I think I'll just set them up there. What we need to achieve this setup, minimum, is a tarp, one tracking pole, 3 pegs and a guy line. But to make it more secure, you can use 2 more pegs. I'll show you the process when you use all 5 pegs. Right, first of all, we need to get our tarp out, don't we? So just imagine it's raining. I know it's not raining today. It's actually a beautiful day today. Right, this is a 3x3 tarp. So what we need to do is just lay them down. Just get them out as quick as you can. Get them roughly where you need it. Take 2 pegs and you peg the 2 back corners. Put it out nice and taut. You get your tracking pole. Extend it out to its full length. You got that one ready. Get your guide line. You just do 2 simple knots. Do a slip knot and a torque line hitch. A slip knot, you just basically create a hoop, then pull them up through, and that can hook on the top of your tracking pole. And what you do then, find the centre, stick your tracking pole inside, hook your guide line round, stick a tent peg in, let's just bring you round a bit. And create a torque line hitch so you go around, and that's your bases at the moment, just like that. So what we need to do now, just straighten this one out a little bit, get it a bit higher. Don't matter if it's at an angle, that's ideal. You grab one of them sides, peg them out there, grab the other side, you can see I put it slightly to the side. The idea of that is so we can get in here quite easy. If that was in the middle, you couldn't get in. And there you go. We've got a nice little quick shelter and we're out of the rain. How long did that take us? Look at the timestamp on the video. Not very long at all, was it? We're out of the weather. I'll just take you around, show you around. That's what it looks like from the outside. We're not worried about bagginess because there's only a quick shelter to get you out of the weather. You know, if we wanted to stay in a little bit longer, we could peg these out a bit to make it a little bit better. You peg them down there like that. Makes it more secure if it's, you know, a bit windy. But for a quick shelter to get you out of the rain, that does the job. Right, now took the effort of putting that up. We must make a cup of coffee while we're at it, haven't we? I always bring along one of these fold up foam pads. Only costs a couple of £, just to stop your bum getting damp. I'm waiting for this gas container to run out because I've got a larger one and I bought one of those gadgets that fits on the top so I can transfer the gas from one to the other. And I can show you how that works. I haven't tried it out yet at all because it's still new. Bought that on the internet. So I thought I could make a video showing it how that works. Hopefully it works, then we can see if it works together then, can we? I don't think it'll be long before this gas runs out. It's starting to blip a little bit. You know what I mean by blipping. You know, if you've done camping before, you know the noise I'm on about. Got myself a mocha. Right, I'm going to drink this coffee, pack a tarp up, and then make my way home. If you enjoyed this demonstration of putting this tarp up in this configuration, please click like and subscribe because it's a great help to the channel. Bye for now.